Hey friends, how are you guys doing today? So our craft for today is going to be working on this crown. What we're gonna need for this project are some buttons and some pom-poms. If you would like, you can also have markers that you can color it in or color pencils, whichever is best for you guys. And just like always, you can always add a couple things like glitter, feathers, or however you guys would like to decorate. All right, the first thing you're going to do is grab your markers or color pencils and color in the base shade for your crown. I am just going to go with my color markered yellow. And I'm just gonna color it in. Whoop. Just like that. And I'm just color it in. Wow, this looks so good. And it's okay if you go over the lines because we're just gonna cut it out and those will just go away. Now, once you're done coloring your crown, you can go ahead and cut it out. Now, parents, it's completely up to you if you want to go ahead and cut this or if you would like them to cut it. Now you can just decorate the crown using the buttons and the pom-poms or glitter, whatever you have brought. Alrighty, we're gonna glue, oops, there you go. And glue put the glue there. And then we're going to put this white button. Once you're done decorating your crown, what you're going to do is cut little holes right here. And then you could always use a little streamer, or you could use a ribbon or string or whatever you can use to make sure that you can use it to wrap it around your head. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut holes. I'm just gonna pinch it right here, just fold it in. Be careful and pinch. Just like that. And go over here and pinch just like that. Pinch. And then you're going to grab a streamer, wrap it around your head like this. And add a little bit more to that just in case, and then cut it. Then what you're going to do is add this and all the way under to the other side so that you can pull it right through. Oops. careful. Just like that. And I'm just going to let it dry out for a couple more minutes. But right after that, you can put it on your head and then tie it in the back just like that, and then you have yourself a decorated crown. Thank you so much for joining me on making this crown today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below your pictures so that we can see all your beautiful crowns. Yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye.